About an important health alert for everybody in our area. If you are watching us right now, doctors are urging people to make sure they are vaccinated against measles.
Yeah, here's why. This month, 3 people in Maryland contracted this very contagious virus, 1 in Howard County, and 2 cases we told you about last night in Prince George's County.
Maryland's health department confirmed one of the people in Prince George's County has ties to a school in Oxon Hill.
Let's bring in our Lionel Donovan now. Lionel, we know you listened to an update from Maryland Health Department officials earlier. What are they saying about this?
That's right, Lorenzo. And that school in question was the John Hanson Montessori School, which sent a letter home to parents yesterday telling them about the confirmed case in the school. And the last known exposure on the school's campus occurred on March 12th. Officials are now asking parents to report if their child is showing any symptoms as soon as possible so authorities can better track the spread of this virus. Measles have been found in Prince George's County. Maryland's health department confirmed 2 cases yesterday, both from people who traveled abroad together. The Maryland Health Department says the 2 spent more than 2 weeks traveling around the DMV once returning home. Out of an abundance of caution, state health officials said they are coordinating to identify people who might have been exposed from March 5th to the 17th at the following locations: Washington Dulles International Airport, Ronald Reagan National Airport, Kaiser Permanente Largo Medical Center, Metro's Yellow and Silver Lines, and Passport Toyota in Suitland.
Measles is one of the most contagious viruses in the world. That is why we put the press release out, to try to reach as many people as possible, to make sure that we reach as many potentially exposed people.
Measles can pose a significant threat to children under the age of 5 and cause complications for those who are immunocompromised. CDC stats show that so far this year, 75% of the measles hospitalizations have been for people under the age of 19. Although health officials say enough people have been vaccinated in Maryland to maintain herd immunity, vaccinations are still critical if you plan on traveling.
I cannot emphasize enough that if you are unvaccinated, if you are under-vaccinated and you are planning a trip with yourself or with your family going overseas, it is very important to check and make sure that you get up to date on your measles vaccine.
Now, if you or someone you know has been to any of the places mentioned and are showing symptoms like a high fever, rash, or a cough and runny nose, you're strongly advised to reach out to health authorities as soon as possible, but you should call ahead of time. Don't just show up at a doctor's office. Back to you.
Good reminder.
Yeah, especially because that virus can hang around in the air that you've been in for up to 2 hours.
Right.
It is very, very contagious.
All right.